three girls came yesterday. I was sitting there in the office. They told, sir, there is no bus facility. The bus stand is not near to this coaching class. So there's a problem. Just we walk 2 kilometers or 3 kilometers daily. But we don't have any option. We have to come to college also. So we have to come coaching also and all. So that's why what to do, sir? We are not happy with that, but what to do? I told, if you know any option, you have no any option. You have to come on foot daily. You have to come college. You have to come coaching, and you have no any other option. If you have any other option, you take bike, you take a scooty, or you take bicycle, or anything that you can take. But if you know any option, you should think that I am becoming strong. Think your perspective, like change your perspective. Think about that I am becoming strong. Like somebody told you that like they are coming from there, they have like no any vehicle, they are coming from there. That's okay. So now they have to change their perspective. They have to change that, and they have to think that I am becoming strong. When I will walk every day, when I will walk 3 kilometers every day, I will become strong. My legs will become strong. My body will become strong. And whenever I will walk, whenever the situation will come that I have to go anywhere on the food, it will be very easy for me. I will become strong. So why don't we think in different way? Why don't we think in positive way? Why we don't have good positive perspective of life? That if we are doing something or the other, you think that you are becoming strong. Alright, when you have no any option, like somebody told you that you have to work on computer for 4 hours and otherwise you will be fired from the job. Now you have no any option. You think that I am becoming strong, I am becoming master of this work, and I have to do better and better and better and more better in my life. I want to become a master of this work, whatever I am doing, and better than that every day. So you know what? The perspective will change, the life will change, and we will become more strong also. Because we have no any option. Alright, or if you have option, then choose that option. But if you don't have any option, do that thing, go with that thing. Like think about that. This is the way we should live. अब वो लड़कियों के पास दूसरा कोई ऑप्शन नहीं पैदल आने के सिवाय, है ना? दूसरा कोई ऑप्शन नहीं, तो बजाय रोज रो रो कर आने से खुश होकर आए कि यार मैं स्ट्रांग बन रही हूं पैदल चल के, तो कैसा रहेगा? आना तो है ही ना, कोई रास्ता है क्या? कॉलेज आना पड़ेगा ना, क्लासेस आने पड़ेंगे ना, तो फिर कोई रास्ता है ही नहीं. तो बजाय रोज रो रो करके पैदल चलना पड़ता है, बस से आना पड़ता है, बहुत से लोगों का इशू रहता है. तो सोचो ना, बिकमिंग स्ट्रांग. और वो टाइम को कैसे यूज किया जा सकता है, क्या किया जा सकता है? कैन वी लिसन एनी काइंड ऑफ ऑडियो, कैन वी डिस्कस ऑन एनी काइंड ऑफ टॉपिक व्हाइल वॉकिंग ऑन द रोड, और कुछ भी, समथिंग पॉजिटिव. ये लो, चेंज हो गया पर्सपेक्टिव. बट हम शिकायत करते रहते हैं, पर्सपेक्टिव चेंज नहीं करते हैं, देन प्रॉब्लम्स आते हैं.
सर मेरे घर से तो 6 किलोमीटर दूर है.
अरे वाह, पैदल आते हैं रोज?
हाँ, 2 किलोमीटर.
तो आप कितने स्ट्रांग बन रहे हैं, देखो.
और फिर 4 किलोमीटर किसी से इलेक्ट्रिक तो मिल जाएगी, या तो फिर ठीक है वैसे
पैदल पैदल आना पड़ता है. तो कितने स्ट्रांग बनने की हैबिट बन रही, बताइए.
सर कभी कभी ना ऐसा होता है कि हम मतलब जैसे एकेडमी में तब से आए हैं, तो प्रॉब्लम तो पहले भी आती थी, बट अब ऐसा लगता है जितनी प्रॉब्लम आ रही है ना उतना स्ट्रॉन्ग बनते जा रही है. और मतलब ऐसा लगता है कि भगवान जितनी भी प्रॉब्लम देना मैं उसे फेस कर लूँगी, और फिर है ना लास्ट में मतलब इतनी फेस करनी है प्रॉब्लम की भगवान भी बोले कि बेटा बहुत मेहनत की, तूने तो ले लिए दे दीजिए.
You know what? Problem is the foundation of success. Problem is the foundation of success. When the problem is coming, you are like making a foundation. You thought that I have to do this thing, I have to achieve this thing. The problem came. That's not the problem. Many people will think that this is a problem, like a wall before me. That's not the problem. That is the foundation. And the foundation, if you know any foundation, we can make nothing, we can build nothing. So that's why problems are the foundation of success. You have to keep this thing in mind. There are many problems that will come in our life. Nothing is easy. All right. Nothing is like somebody will come, you want to get job, take this job. You have to do something for that. You have to work for that. You have to learn something. By taking a good perspective, you have to work on that. Problems will come, but we have to think that what we are doing, how we are thinking, and what is our perspective towards that problem. This is the point, but we don't understand this thing. So problems are making us much more stronger, and if we are not strong, we won't do anything in life. So we need to be strong